Today we'll be solving LeetCode 56 merge intervals. We are given a list of intervals, each with a start and an end. The goal is to merge any intervals that overlap so that the output is a list of non-overlapping intervals covering the same ranges. The key idea is to sort the intervals by the start times, then scan through them one by one. If the current interval does not overlap with the last merged interval, we simply add it to the result. If it does overlap, we merge them by extending the end of the last merged interval. First, we check if the list of intervals is empty. If it is, we return an empty list right away. Then we sort the intervals by their start time. In Python, we use a lambda function for this. A lambda is just a quick way to create a small function without giving it a name. In this case, lambda x colon x at 0 means for each interval x, return its first value, which is the start. The sort function uses that value to order the intervals from smallest start to the largest start. Next, we create an empty list called merged. This will hold our final non-overlapping intervals. Then we loop through each interval in the sorted list. For each one, we grab its start and the end values. If merged is empty, or if the end of the last interval in merged is strictly less than the current start, there is no overlap. So we add the current interval as the new one. Otherwise, there is overlap. So we update the end of the last interval in merge to be the maximum of the two ends. That way, the last merged interval grows to include the current one. After the loop ends, merge contains all the intervals combined properly, so we return it. The time complexity comes from sorting, which is O of n log n, and the merging loop, which is O of n. So the total time is O of n log n. The space complexity is O of n for the merged output. And that's how you solve LeetCode 56 merged interval. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning.